Hello everybody, today I'm going to unbox a modded, hacked Sony PS1 Classic Edition. So, PlayStation Classic over here. This is how the box looks like. UPC over here. Here's a list of games. Originally it comes with only 20 games, okay? So this one I obviously already unboxed before. This one. So in this box, there is another box. Okay, I'm gonna open this box, and there is another box. Manual. Okay. Here we have the console. Very small, very tiny. Smaller than my hand. Okay. The console. Put this back. So, power reset. This one obviously doesn't work. It doesn't. You can put any CDs or anything in here. USB ports for your controllers. Micro USB for charging. HDMI to connect to your TV or monitor. Let's see how. Okay. So this opens like that. Opens like this. So we have HDMI cable, two controllers. Okay, so this box we put away. Okay, so we take this HDMI cable, unbox it, unwrap it. Okay, one. Okay, so this HDMI it's pretty long, I would say. Yeah, it's like maybe it's about 6 feet. Okay, I have two controllers, so I'm only gonna use one. Here, HDMI goes over here. This is for primary controller, this is for secondary, if you want to play a game for two people. So, and over here, here's the most important thing. And here we have so originally it comes only with this cable for charging. It doesn't come with a power adapter, unfortunately, but you can use any power adapter from any USB power adapter, like from iPhone or from other phones. Everything I saw, everything works. So this one, in order to have it modded and have other games added to it, this one has like over 300 games. So this one has additionally this adapter and this flash drive. Okay, so like this, and this goes in here like that. Okay. So, and this goes this goes into your power adapter like this, and this one goes to your TV or to your monitor. put it. So make sure it's turned on. When it's green light, it means the console is turned on, which shows the HDMI input that we're gonna use for the console. Okay, so sometimes it gets you to this menu. If you'll have to, sometimes you'll have to choose. Let's see. Okay, so it might take a couple of seconds here and there. Then you get to all the edit games. Sometimes you may have to like reset it or like turn off and turn back on. So yeah, and these are all the games in here. I'll go through them real quick. Every game has 4 save slots, so you can save every game. You can have 4 save slots per game. So I'm gonna try one of the games now, and I'm gonna show you how it works with the save games. So we already, all the games are alphabetically. Okay, so we got back. So let's try some game. Let's try something. I don't know. Let's see. Let's try. I think one of them comes with the console. Let's try 4, for example. Play. Then we. Okay. Yeah, all the games are roughly 20 years old. New game. Okay, so if you wanna save a game, you press start. No, that goes to, okay. You press reset. That's what you press. You press reset. And you wait a second, and then here's your save point. Or is it only 2 saves per game? I don't know. Anyway. You can play other game, and if you wanna return, you can just simply go here, you choose it, and then you can play from the same point you stopped. Okay. Like, subscribe, and I'll try to put a link for you to buy if you want to buy one like this. Thank you very much for watching.